The new Online Business Case Creator, also called the OBCC, is a tool that will guide you through a three-step process to analyze your project and help you make your best recommendations about whether a project should move forward. In the last tutorial, the fourth in the series, I showed you how to prioritize and tailor the risks and benefits suggested by the OBCC. In this tutorial, the fifth in the series, I will show you how to identify your own risks and benefits. In usability testing, some people told us, I don't really want your suggestions, or I don't agree with them. Fair enough. So we made sure that those people had a straightforward way to identify their own strengths and limitations, risks and benefits. This option is available on worksheets 2A and 2B. Let's have a look first at worksheet 2B, Analyze Benefits. In tutorial 4, I talked about the suggested benefits presented by the OBCC based on your answers to the Step 1 worksheet assessment questions. Those suggestions can be found in the bundles by the same name as the bundles you worked on in Step 1. As previously mentioned, a bundle just means a group of questions that can be opened or collapsed so that you can look at a specific series in isolation, one at a time. In addition to those standard 6 bundles found on most OBCC worksheets, project design, evidence base, implementation roles, and so on, you will see an Identify Your Own bundle at the top of the Step 2 worksheets. Use these if you're a seasoned practitioner or if you already have clear ideas about the content of your risk-benefit analysis. If you decide to use these bundles, it is optional whether you complete Worksheet 1, Assess Your Project. These work much the same way as the other bundles on these worksheets explained previously in tutorial 4. The difference is that when you open a bundle, there is not yet any data, and therefore there is not yet a preview pane. Start by answering questions 1 through 8. Please identify a broad area in which you may see a positive impact. Let's say quality of program. Please identify project strengths that increase the chance that you will achieve a positive impact in the area noted above. Let's say a great deal of evidence exists to support this program and its impact on our intended population. Question 3. What specific benefits will you achieve if you have a positive impact in the area noted above? Let's say we will have increased likelihood of funding, improved profile with colleagues, and importantly, improved health and wellness in the intended population. Is it likely that you will achieve these benefits? Let's say it's not yet likely, possibly because we don't have the resources we need. And are these potential benefits significant or important? Yes, they are. Now, if we want to increase the likelihood or significance of having this benefit, what could we do? We need to increase the amount of funding available to support this program. And if we manage to do that, then is it likely we'll achieve our benefits? Yes. And is it still significant, important? Yes, it is. Click Save and add another benefit. When you do this, you'll notice that a preview pane has appeared above the questions. By looping through the series of questions repeatedly, clicking Save after each round, you will add benefits, each one in a row of its own, in the preview pane table. As explained in tutorial 4, the list may become long. If you want to see everything in the preview pane, there are vertical and horizontal scroll bars. If you prefer to see the entire list at once, review tutorial 3 to make a printout of the table in Word. Preview panes like this appear in many places throughout the OHPP 2.0 application. Once you get the hang of working with them, it's very easy to manage your data. To edit a particular row in a table, click on the Edit button in the far left-hand column. The row will become highlighted. You may then scroll down the page slightly to the area beneath the preview pane. This is where you will edit and view the answers related to the highlighted row in the table. To delete a row, click on the Delete button, also in the far left-hand action column. Remember, once you delete, you cannot get that row back. The Identify Your Own bundle on the Step 2A Analyze Risks worksheet works exactly the same way. Notice that on both worksheets 2A and 2B, there is instructional information that may help you generate your own ideas below questions 1, 2, and 3 in the blue shaded area. And as with the suggested risks and benefits, there are many different output options. Try some of the choices presented on the Output menu in the upper right-hand corner of every worksheet page. If you have more questions, please contact us at any time for free help related to using the Online Business Case Creator.